There's a clipper here. You can simply just open the basket, put the bases to the end, then you can fit on the scooter. You need to open the latch here, fit it on the steering post, push this inside the groove here, and then turn it to tight, and then push down the latch. Okay, that's set. We can fold the basket. First of all, we push the base up and then fold it here, click it here, save some space. That's a very convenient basket for all the scooter of JBH. We hope you like it. Thank you very much.